Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about a new tool that I deployed on my website freemediatools.com. So basically this tool removes the audio from the video. So this tool I have developed using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So basically FFmpeg is running in the browser. We don't need any sort of server-side code. So basically you can just see here, this is a tool here. So I modified this tool here. Early on also it was present on the website, but it was using a lot of resources from the server. So I converted this to use only FFmpeg WebAssembly. So basically it removes the audio from the video. So if you have any sort of audio available, so this is the audio file that we will take, or video file that will take. You can see it is having some kind of audio inside this. So you just need to select this file here. Simply select this. So click, and now it will upload and file processing, and now it will download this file. So you can see that. So if you now see, there is no audio present. So you can see that this is a tool here. So basically we are in the background, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So make sure that you watch this entire tutorial to how to make this application. So there is a very simple command in FFmpeg which removes the audio from the video, which we will be executing using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So if you just write FFmpeg WebAssembly, this is the software that it uses in the background in the browser itself. It doesn't use any sort of server-side code. So it is deployed on Netlify. You can read the documentation, the kind of encoders that they use in order to process the videos. The base software is FFmpeg, if you all know, ffmpeg.org, it's of the official website. So it's a cross-platform audio and video processing library, so which makes it very much easier to make these applications. So it's a very awesome library, and all the source code regarding this application, guys, is given in the video description. So just go to the video description link in the blog post to follow along with the video and copy paste all the source code. So for building this, guys, it is very easy. I will go to the projects directory and I will make a new directory here which will be remove audio. I will cd into this. So it is saying that remove, cd into remove, and open this inside Visual Studio Code text writer. So here, guys, you need to first of all make the package.json file. So here we are building it inside Express. It is not necessary that you build inside Express. It can also be built in a static website also, but we are just, for the necessity, we are just using Express. So package.json file is created. Now we need to install the Express package. This is only the package which will require here. After having this, just make an index.js, and as you all know, you need to require the Express module, and just make a new Express app, and basically app.get. So when we open the home page, what you need to do is that we need to send out a file to the user. So basically send file and dir name plus in the same directory we will make the index.html, which we will populate. So app.listen, we will start the server on localhost 5000. So one more thing, guys, in order to use this library, which is FFmpeg WebAssembly in the browser, you need to add these headers. So basically, if you are building it inside PHP, then also you need to add these headers. So this is cross origin opener policy and cross origin embedder policy. Just make sure that you copy paste this code wherever you initialize your Express app. That's it. So now close this file, and now we will make our index.html file which will hold all the processing code. So just change the title to FFmpeg WebAssembly, remove audio from video. So here, guys, we will use some Bootstrap. So you can just go to the video description link. So basically you can copy this CDN link here, and just after the title paste it. So we will also be using some jQuery as well. So just paste it, and also this base library script tag. So simply copy this. So just after the body ends here, simply paste it. You can see that. Just format your document. And now guys, we will basically build out the interface. It's very easy. We will make use of container class of Bootstrap, and then we will have a center position heading. So here we will simply say remove audio from video. Then we will have a simple input file. We will expect the user to upload the video file here. So we will only accept video files here. So we have a special attribute video slash star, and it should be required. And we will give it a form control class of Bootstrap. And then we will have a simple button. So these are Bootstrap classes. We will say remove audio. So we will also have another button which will be having remove audio again. So you need to give it an ID of again. So when the processing is over, this button will be shown to the user. So also attach these same classes. So also give this button a ID of button. That's it. So we can now launch this application, guys. Simply type here node.index.js. So you can see that it has started this application. So just open localhost 5000. So this is your application. So now if you load this application, we don't want to display this button. So just make this property display to none. So now you can see that. So now interface is complete, guys. So now we just need to write the JavaScript part. So as you seen inside my previous FFmpeg WebAssembly videos, I have followed the same process. So in this video also, rest of the code will remain constant. Let me copy paste it and don't waste your time. So here we are just fetching the libraries which are needed here, which is create FFmpeg and fetch file from the base library of FFmpeg. Then we are showing the progress bar on the button itself. First of all, we are disabling the button, and then we are changing the text of the button, processing video in seconds. So this is for the progress bar. And then basically we will target the input file by its ID. So we have given this ID as file. If you notice here, the ID, let me show, ID is equal to file. So when it is changed here, we are executing this function add event listener. So we will make this function which is transcode. So I will just uh, paste this function here. So basically you will see that this is a function which is required here. It is taking the input files as an input argument. Then we are fetching the name of the file, loading the FFmpeg library, writing the file in an internal memory, and then running this command. So this command will be very much useful, guys. So this will be modified here. So in order to remove the audio from the video, there is a special command out there which needs to be done here. So we don't need to re-encode the video. So let me paste this command. So basically we will copy the encoding of the video. So this makes it a little bit faster when processing this video. And this flag is necessary, which is -an. So this means that we are removing the audio, and then this output file name. That's it. So rest of the process remains constant. We are reading the output file name, which is output.mp4. We are showing the again button and hiding the file input and also hiding the button. And then we are downloading the file as attachment, as you can see that with a unique file name. And also when we click the again button, we need to write this line. We need to reload the page. So here, when we click this button, we will location.reload. This will reload the page. That's it. So this completes the application, guys. If I refresh this application, choose our file, you can now see processing video. You can see it has downloaded this video. You can see that the audio is removed. So in this way, guys, you can take any video of your choice and remove audio from it using FFmpeg WebAssembly. I have shown you step-by-step code here from scratch. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So I will be seeing you in the next stream. Until then, thank you very much.